Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we'll be discussing about HTML table row span. To make a set span over multiple rows, use the row span attribute. For example, the row span inside our table header element here. As you can see, the row span attribute is having what? Is having two values. So quickly, let me show you what is going on here. The value of the row span attribute represents the number of rows to span. So quickly, let me demonstrate it for you to know what is going on. This is our previous tutorial. This is where we are in our previous tutorial. We don't know how we got here. You can check our table tutorials, so you can check the playlist. We have different playlists for different things we are doing here. So quickly, let me get you to the code. This is the code that took us here. This is how our code looks like. As you can see, our code is look like this. Quickly, let me get back to the document. What we want to do right now is that this column here that is right, that we wrote one there, we want it to span to two columns. We want it to have complete to occupy these two columns, this column here and this column here. We want only this one column to occupy these two columns. So when we are doing that, definitely this column here, this column here, and this column here, and this column here, these four columns here, they are going to shift to the right side. That's what is going to happen when we use the row span. Quickly, let me show you how it works. Back to our code, and our code is here. Quickly, let's get back to the row span, the thing that we want to specify. Now inside our one here, we want to specify row span here. Row span, and we specify row span, we give it 2. When you specify 2, you will see what will happen. It will occupy this place, and now it will occupy the second space. Can you see? All this one now shift to the right. As you can see, they shift to the right, and you can see our border here change the way it looks. So quickly, if you want to span to the bottom here also, you can do it by giving it 3, because we want to occupy 3 columns. So quickly, let's occupy 3 columns by giving row span 3 columns. Let's reload it. Can you see it occupy 3, and all the things that stays at the bottom, they all move to the right side. Now let's get it to 1 column. The 1 column is the default size of the column that is always at, as you can see, is at first column. Now see, this is only 1 column is occupying now. That's why it's, when we give it row 1, it's occupying 1 column. When we give it row 2, it will occupy 2 column, and all the thing by the 2 column we shift. So now let's give it 2 column again, so you can see these 4 elements here, these 4 columns at the bottom here, they will all shift to the right. Quickly, let's give it row 2, so you can occupy 2 columns. So yeah, come back to our code and reload it. Can you see they all shift to the right? So that's how it works. I want you to understand this very well. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Make sure that you practice every time, because practice make perfect. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.